It's good. This is good. And this is one that I think is very versatile. It sits, because it's none of those things and yet all of those things, it sits in a place where you could wear it on a date. You could wear it to a formal event. You could wear it just, to the everyday outside in the fall and winter, just what's going on, folks? Will Stewart here with Will Stewart 365. Today we are back with another unboxing and first impressions. This time we've got what people can say is one of the best wintertime fragrances of all time, and that is Tom Ford Noir Extreme. Let's get into it and see if this fragrance smashes the box. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Really appreciate all the love and support that you guys have been showing us over the last few months. The channel's growing tremendously, and that's all down to you guys. So we appreciate the love. We appreciate the likes, the subscribes, and all that stuff. So make sure you're doing that. Make sure you're hitting that like button. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and all of those great things, and letting us know down in the comments below what you think we should be doing next. But today we're going to be opening up a new fragrance that we have not smelled before, completely purchased on a blind buy. Tom Ford Noir Extreme in an eau de parfum concentration. This one here we have got in the 50 ml size, and we are going to be taking a look and seeing if this fragrance lives up to all of the hype that it gets from all the people out there. So here on the box you have got TF on the top for Tom Ford in that gold box. On the front you do have Tom Ford Noir Extreme in the eau de parfum concentration. On the back you do get some of your ingredients, it looks like, as well as an address and all of its compliance safety. On the bottom here you do have a barcode and batch code, and the batch code on this particular one is registered at A2Y/22165. So let's open this puppy up to see. Oh, on the sides of the box you do have a T, and on this side you do have an F. Top does open to front, and that TF is embossed, and you can see the reverse of it there in the lid. Got your cardboard protective casing here. Looks like it is an aluminum cap with a plastic insert, a lot like you get from Dolce & Gabbana. Plastic insert here on the bottle. It just wanted to come out, like this wanted to come out with the fragrance. So it was a snug fit in there. Set the box off to the side and we'll take a look at the bottle. We'll put this cap back on here for you guys. You've got a black bottle with gold writing here that says Tom Ford Noir Extreme. On the bottom, you have a sticker that does have the batch code and information as well. On the back of the bottle, you don't have anything, as well as on the sides, nothing, TF on the top of the lid. So let's grab a handy dandy test strip. Again, the nozzle on it isn't pointed to the front. I like all of my fragrances for that nozzle to be pointed straight to the front. That way, every time I pick it up, I can look at the fragrance I'm using and I know that that's the direction that's going to spray on me. I wish that they would do that straight from the factory, but they don't. So about 4 sprays to get the atomizer primed. Put 2 or 3 on the testing strip there for us. First impressions. This is good. It's a leathery, it's got maybe like some slight oud vibe, but not in like an oud or an animalic way, but almost like woods, like a dirty woods type of a thing. There's spice, maybe like a cardamom. This is good. I mean, it's good. It's very neutral smelling for me. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spray some on skin here. We're gonna throw this on my arm. 2 sprays there just on the back side of the watch band. We'll let that dry down for a second. Pop the cap back on. While we're waiting for that to dry down, let's grab the notes. We'll take a look. So on the Parfumo, you've got Tom Ford Noir Extreme, and it is in 8.5. So very highly rated here on the Parfum. You've got cardamom, yeah, so I can smell the cardamom. People are wondering what cardamom smells like. For me, it's kind of like it smells like a pea pod. It's green, but it's not herbal. It's not super sweet, but it's not super herbally. It smells kind of like a pea pod for me, but better than that, like a quality, like it smells good, like it's meant to go in fragrances. Well, I mean, it's not meant naturally to go into fragrance, but it smells like a pea pod. Then we've got mandarin orange, nutmeg, yeah, saffron, that's a spice. I like neroli. I'm a fan of neroli. In the middle, you've got Khalifi, jasmine, mastic, orange blossom and rose, vanilla, amber, and sandalwood. So there's no oud in it, but there is something that gives it that kind of a vibe. Maybe it's the kulfi, I don't know, but put it down here, Kulfi. Let's take a look at it on skin. Yeah, so this is good. This is really good, actually. This is living up to the hype. Like, is it blowing my socks off? No, but this for me is, this will go in lists. This will go in top 10s. Will it get into top 5s? I'm not sure. Definitely winter fall scent. Definitely a good one to pick up. Like this one, I think the 100 mil right now on Joma Shop is on sale. You can pick the 100 mil up on Joma Shop right now. I think for like 100, I think I paid 99 for the 50. So it's good. Like this is good. This is gonna get, even right now off the opening, it's getting deeper and richer. And on skin, 9 out of 10. That's where we're gonna go with this on this one. We're gonna go 9 out of 10 on this one. On paper, it's not that great, but on skin, on my skin chemistry, this smells really good. Like this is really good. And it smells like this is gonna project. It smells like it's gonna have longevity as well. And it's a unique smell. It's not leather, it's not boozy, it's not oud, but it has, like, you're getting hints of it. It's like sparkling and popping in your brain, just all of these different pieces of it, but none of those are in there, right? Like, because it's not strong, and the more you smell it, the longer that you're in your arm smelling it. This is one like the Lamal Elixir that you're just gonna want to continue to smell. Like you're gonna keep smelling yourself. Like this is one, like if you're putting it on the crooks of your elbows, or you're just gonna be doing that all day as you get whiffs of it, or when you spray it on your neck and you lay down and that scent gets on your pillow, or it gets on the couch cushion that you're leaning on, that you're gonna enjoy. Because it's not leather, but it has a leather vibe, right? It's not oud, but it has an oudish vibe. It's not any of those things, and yet it is those things, right? So it's a very unique how they've used those accords, and the vanilla in this is really good. The amber is very good. So you've got, this is a spicy, sweet gourmand. It's not very powdery. It's oriental for sure. A little bit woody, a little bit creamy. It's good. Like this one's gonna go 10 out of 10. And it's, I think the reason why I knocked it down originally to a 9 is because it wasn't tobacco. It wasn't leather. It wasn't oud. But it flirts with all of these things in its own way, and it makes it unique to the point where if you have Herod, if you have ombre leather, if you have tobacco vanille, if you have these other fragrances, you can still wear this one, and it's different. It gives you a different profile, but it reminds you of those fragrances that you love. It's good. This is good. And this is one that I think is very versatile. It sits, because it's none of those things and yet all of those things, it sits in a place where you could wear it on a date. You could wear it to a formal event. You could wear it just, you know, to the everyday outside in the fall and winter, you know, just, it's a signature scent in fall and winter. Yeah, this is making lists. It lives up to the hype, folks. This lives up to the hype. 100% lives up to the hype. I may have to pick up a bigger bottle than this. We'll see. I mean, this one's been around for a while and it goes on and off sale. But I mean, if I ever get wind that this is going to be discontinued or something like that, I'm going to have to buy one. And I don't think I'm going to try the Parfum or the regular EDT version of it. I think I'm just going to stick with the Extreme. This is good enough that I don't know if I need to even, I might get a decanter of the other ones just to say I've smelled them, but I think this one's good for me. I really do. It has all the aspects that I love, and yet none of them. It's a very unique in that way. I don't know, guys. Tell me what you think. Do you have Tom Ford Noir Extreme? Let me know down in the comments below. What do you rate it? Let me know in the comments down below what you would rate this. I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10 for me. This is gonna make some lists, stuff like that. Let me know, folks. Stay healthy, stay well. See you guys next time. I'm out of here. Peace.